are we going today, Bubby?
We're gonna take BTS train, go to another sky bar. Hanuman.
Oh yeah?
Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you all the way through it. So stick with us.
Getting close. We found it.
You know what? Actually, we booking for 5 people, but we came 4. Give us 5 drinks.
So we're gonna get 5 drinks. That's awesome.
Pretty good first stop, huh?
This floor is just the bar.
Oh.
The second floor over there is the lantern.
Oh, nice. Cute like you.
You have to come at night. Babe, are you ready to go to the top?
Oh yeah. Let's do this.
Let's go. It's perfect.
That menu looks amazing.
กะเพรา for sure
That's not beer, dude. That's rum.
hey hey remember they have a signature drink the scorpion drink
Yeah. Somebody should get the scorpion, I think. I'm gonna get it.
I want to enjoy the weather here. It's no rain, no snow. The weather is perfect.
It is. Sabai Sabai.
Yeah.
What a great place to be hanging out on a beautiful night, too.
We just saw the sunsets. It's beautiful.
From the central region of Thailand. Please enjoy with the first show ค่ะ
Thanks for hanging with us. Make sure you subscribe and like. We appreciate it. Thank you.